What's up with the Locked In fam? Welcome back to another episode of Locked In with Trey. And it is now week 7, man. Time is flying, but hey, these are the results, you know what I'm saying? Your boy kind of tired, just got through working out. And I didn't want to finish the day without giving y'all this update, you know what I'm saying? Because, you know, the grind never stops. But, you know, as you can see, I got some hair on the sides. Look at that. See that by my ear? And then on this side, yeah, man, turning into Wolf, man, real quick. I even got hair on my chest, look. But that was already there, you know what I'm saying? A little bit of taco meat for you. Yeah. But back to it. These are the results underneath the chin. So y'all can see that. You know what I'm saying? The side. And I may have to wet my face up a little bit. I got my bottle over here. You know, spray some on there. So y'all can see the cheek hairs a little bit. Let me spray some. Oh. Things I do for y'all. Look at this. All right. Let's see if we can see it now. Comment down below if y'all can see it. Oh no. I'm gonna have to look at this video in a minute and see because I can't see it. And it's only because I'm using my front camera, but make sure y'all put this on the big widescreen mode so y'all can see since I got it up and down and not this way, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, let me go and squirt this side. Get this. Oh, got me. Oh, Roll that in. See if y'all can see anything. Let me know what y'all see. What do you see? Tell me. Y'all see that hair? It's coming in, you know what I'm saying? Y'all can see it in the other video. Week 6, y'all can see it real good. I know, you know what I'm saying? Because I had the whole setup for y'all to where y'all can see it real good. And the lighting was good and everything. But hey, this is what your boy working with. Here go the mustache. Vellus. Y'all see that? All vellus right there in the middle. Got some vellus coming in the middle right here where it's kind of weak. All under the neck is about to connect. You know what I'm saying? There's still some weak areas like up in here. You know what I'm saying? And there's some hair that's longer than others, so it makes it look more patchy. But yeah, it's hair there. I know y'all can see it. And here go this side. This is my weaker side, I think. I don't know. Let me know down below in the comments what y'all think. Hey, we getting to it. Week 7, you know what I'm saying? We making it happen. Here go underneath my lip right here. Get in your face. There. Yep. Come on with it. Yep. Just get along right there. You know what I'm saying? Y'all can see it from the side. Yeah, that's weird. Anyway, this is what the boy is working with. You know what I'm saying? The connectors is coming in pretty thick. You know what I'm saying? It's getting wider. So that means it's growing pretty good. The Minoxidil is working on both sides. It looked like this side is a little bit more thicker than this side right here, which is kind of strange. But once my mustache keep growing, it's all gonna connect. So we ain't worried about that. Nothing but gains. Today was my derma roller day, so I didn't put any Minoxidil on today. So I'm letting my face heal up from the derma roller. You know, everything I researched says to wait 24 hours. So tomorrow I'll be good around the same time my derma roll. So in the morning time when I wake up, I'll be good to go. But hey, let me know down below what week you on. If you're doing it with me, you know what I'm saying? Let me know down below what week you on. And let me know what your games look like, you know what I'm saying? Send in some pictures that Locked In with Trey and my DMs on Instagram, you know what I'm saying? You can send me a link. You can do whatever you want to do to get it to me so I can see it. And I'll shout you out on next week's video. I think it'll be week 8, you know what I'm saying? So hopefully we'll see some more gains. I know it's not really showing y'all that much because of the lighting, but trust me, the hair is there. If I turn a little bit, y'all can see. It's all right there. And this vellus hair is all in between here that I can feel and see. But the camera not doing me any justice, you know what I'm saying? And then on this side, there's vellus hairs and it's all up here. They real light, but they there and they getting long. So hey, maybe if I, you know, trim it down a little bit, maybe they'll grow in fuller and thicker all together. Cause right now, all this other hair that's longer and darker, it's making it seem like it's real patchy and that nothing is growing, but it's actually there, you know what I'm saying? I'm growing. I got some progress. Trust me, it's working. Minoxidil is working. So if you want to grow a beard, it don't matter if you're a teenager, it don't matter if you're in your 20s or even in your 30s, you know what I'm saying? And I'm stopping there because that's where I'm at. I'm in my 30s. I'm 32, so Hey, it's working for me. If you've never been able to grow a beard, get you some Minoxidil. Trust me. And know the stuff is not miracle grow. You will not grow a beard overnight. But hey, in a few weeks, if you stay consistent, you might see some gains, you know what I'm saying? And it's different for everybody, you know what I'm saying? Everybody has their own hair texture. Everybody has their own genetics, you know what I'm saying, that they have to go through, that they have to live with. Matter of fact, you know what I'm saying? There's nothing you can do about your genetics. So hey, take what the universe gives you, you know what I'm saying? If God blessed you with a beard that's patchy for the rest of your life, if you still want to rock it, player. If you've been blessed with a full Santa Claus luscious beard, you know what I'm saying, with a white stripe down the middle, hey, there ain't nothing you can do about that, player. Don't get no dye. Says the guy that got blonde in his hair, you know what I'm saying, because I sure wasn't born like this, but I woke up like this, you feel me? But yeah, guys, you know what I'm saying, we got the gains. We got the gains, you know what I'm saying? Everything is growing in, you know what I'm saying? So soon, I'm probably going to trim it down a little bit. I'm never going to shave it. No, not until I get a full luscious beard and I feel like I want to shave it and get that 5 o'clock shadow all over my face. Not until the end will I actually shave it with shaving cream. So until then, I'm just going to keep trimming it with the clippers. You know what I'm saying? Maybe 2 guard or something like that. Keep it trimmed so everything else can catch up with it. But hey, that's it, you know what I'm saying? I guess the lesson of the day is keep going even if you don't feel like it, you know what I mean? Because trust me, there's a lot of excuses out there. Don't be one of those people. Keep going, keep your gains, keep the process, and you'll make it. And I'll be right there with you to salute you. Or I might be so far ahead that I have to look back and be like, salute you, salute you, salute you. Anyways, guys and girls, your boy is tired. I'm about to go to sleep. I just got through eating. Like I said, I've been working out, trying to lose about 30, 40 pounds. Stay tuned for more videos coming in a few days, you know what I'm saying? Trust me, you don't want to miss it. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Come and join the family. We hit 1K and hey, we about to turn up. But hey, you already know what it is. It's your boy Trey Smith bringing you love, peace, and prosperity forevermore throughout your life. Don't you forget it. And I'll see you guys in the next video. All right, peace.